Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute because you're new to charts, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming here from. And overall, a good day, but a bad day, and kind of everything in between because the price really was all over the place. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line there. And also this line, just because, yes, those levels pertain, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. Now, it was definitely a bad day, no doubt about it, in the sense of, the morning, actually a small little gap up, but then from there, the price just absolutely flushed to the downside. So actually a little miniature gap and trap there. And that's where the thing started off very, very rough. But to be fair, price did recover very, very nicely, which was, hey, that's definitely a good day, a very nice movement. Problem is then the price all of a sudden rolled back over. But on this point, when it rolled back over, at least it was able to stay up above 355, which for those of you that have listened to the past videos, hopefully remember, is a very important level of support. So good to see that the price has been able to maintain above that level. But yeah, literally the price all over the place from a total flush to a very impressive bounce, to then that bounce running out of steam and pulling back. And the key but there is that the price is at least staying up above 355. The reason 355 is so important is, if you go back through the history of the chart, really, and I am going to add in the next level just in case, but if 355 does not hold up, the next key overall level down there at 350, and then 350 definitely that much more important, because if the price were to go down there and drop through that point, now all of a sudden you have the price down at this location of the chart that hasn't been seen for literally weeks upon weeks. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were from weeks and weeks ago, not exactly a good sign of strength from the bulls' point of view. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, just watch that purple line now going forward. That makes this as clean as possible to see. That is the 50-period simple moving average, and currently that value is at $3.64. So literally price all over the place today. One of those charts where if you got motion sick, if you get motion sick easy, you're probably throwing up all over the place because it was a wild day. But overall, after the dust has settled, price is up above 355. So let's see if that can remain the case or not going into Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.